Hi everyone, Jason Kardos, real estate broker with Mount Helix Lifestyles, and I'm here in beautiful Bonita, California, which is in between National City and Chula Vista, and famous for their golf course and walking trail. And I have a new listing here, a 3-bed, 3-bath townhome with a backyard and a one-car garage. So I wanted to show you guys real quick here. The tenants just moved out, so we're putting up flyers and signs. And this is the one-car garage. It has the water heater, furnace, and washer-dryer hookups. You walk into a downstairs level here. Here's the half bath, so right off the kitchen. You have one closet storage and then another one underneath the stairs, so a lot of storage. Here's the living room with fireplace, and it goes to a combo dining room, and that's the kitchen. All the bedrooms are upstairs, and I'll show you outside. So this is the patio, fence patio, so if you have a dog, no worries, you can leave them outside. Has the shed, the air conditioner. That's the views there. And right up here is Briarwood, so it's off the 54 freeway. And you see the 2 rear bedrooms upstairs there. And we'll show you the kitchen and the bedrooms. It does have a very nice pool and clubhouse. The HOAs are pretty low in my opinion, $296 a month. Granite countertops. The stainless steel appliances, electric stove. They did say there's a ice maker. So here's the kitchen, pretty nice here. And it does have recessed lighting, no popcorn ceiling. This is 1978. And actually for you guys or girls that like storage for this townhome, I'll have to show you up here, but it has an amazing attic. I'll show you that finished attic. But here's the bedroom, and looking out. But pretty nice size, upgraded door, ceiling fans. Has the Decora switches. This is the other second bedroom. So big closets. We have the smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. But let me show you up here real quick how many people want to see an attic. Let's see. I'll turn the light switch on. But look at this. I don't know. That's a lot of nice storage for a townhome. All finished. And you see it has the new air conditioning. Also has the insulation, but I was thinking this is really great. I mean, you can almost, I don't want to say you want to be up here and be a shop or what, but so here it is. Here's a bed frame too, goes with the house. How's that? So, whoa, let's climb back down. Always fun, huh? We'll put this back here and we'll finish up with the master. Well, this is the hallway bath. So hallway bath upstairs. It's got your regular bathtub, a nice vanity, but here's the master. So it's a really big master. A lot of people like to take the closet doors off, so they've always kept them off. But if you want to put them back on, or a curtain. And then it has a second closet, so a lot of closet space. And then this could be a dressing room, or they used it as a little office. And then here's the in-suite master bath. And they did do an upgraded shower. I like that little chair. Again, really nice bath. So that's it, guys. Yeah, 3011 Plaza I can't say it. Paolo, Paolo, and Bonita. And it's for $440,000, what they're asking. It qualifies for FHA and VA, and real nice unit. So if you want more information, let me know, and I'll post a link here later in the comments. Thanks for watching, and everyone be safe. Bye-bye.